The objective of this lesson is to be able to use the basic formulas to extract information from dates. And those formulas will be useful to extract year, months, day, hour, minute, and second. So here I have an example. I have a date with hours and minutes and seconds included in it. And how do I make sure that it's a date? If I go to home, I click on the comma, it will get transformed into a number because Excel sees dates as number. So let's go back. Let's start. We're going to extract the year first. I write year, then I select my date, and then I get 2021. Then the months. As the name suggests, months, select the date, I get 5. Next, if I want the day, I'll say day, I select this, and I get the day 20. Then the hour, equal hour, I select it, and I get 17. 17, it's 5 p.m. obviously. Then minute, don't write min because min is minimum, so you have to write minute of the date. You get the minute, and then you have second of the date.